Hello, welcome to Syndicate Trading Hub, and we are going to show you how to, register and create your account on Exness and how to also integrate with MetaTrader 5 and how, the interfaces and how to take your first trade. Okay, so stick with me. So if you want to register with Exness, okay, you can find the link to the registration in the description to this video. So you just click on that link, and that link can take you to this to the platform to actually register. So I have here with me the link, so I'm pasting it over here. All right, so that is the link, and you can find it in your description box. Okay, that is attached to this video or to the playlist that you are watching. So you can look at it and follow this thing that I'm doing. So you click on enter and we are waiting for it to load. Okay, so it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so you see Xnest trading all this site. So what you're interested in, the register over here or the register over there if you have not registered an account. Okay, if you don't have an Xnest account, you can use this to create a new one. Okay, you can use this to create a brand new account with Xnest. So I'll click on register. So when I click on register, it is going to open another interface for me. It's going to open another interface for me, and I have to verify that I'm a human. Okay. So when I verify that I'm a human, it will bring me here to welcome to Xness. So if you have an account already, you sign using your email and your password here. If you don't have an account, okay, you create it here. So you enter your country of residence, in this case, maybe Ghana. Okay. Then you put your email address, then you put the password that you want to use to create the account. Then you click on this box, okay, to declare that you are not a US citizen because there are some rules that are applied when you are a US citizen, okay. They take them tax, but they don't take us tax. That's why it's good to learn this as a Ghanaian or an African. It gives us a lot of leverage. Okay. So because we are not paying tax, so we click here so that Xness will not be taxing, or Xness will not take your tax. Because if they are taxing you, it will deduct some of the profit that you are making. So when you on it and you click on continue and you follow, I can do that because I already have an account. Okay. So you click on continue and it will create an account for you. So after it has created the account for you, then it will ask you to, verify on your email and all those things. So you go into your email, you verify and all those things. Then now you have the account. So when you have the account, now you log in back again. But this time around, you come to sign in. Okay. Then you put in your email, you put in your password, you click on continue. Then it will bring you to a page like this, okay? It will bring you to a page like this where you see my account, deposit, withdrawal. So um they'll ask you to do verification. So you are going to do verification with your voters sorry, your Ghana card. Then when you're done, they'll ask you for proof of residential where you stay. So bank account, but it's not really necessary like that. You just have to, try your best to verify with your ID card. Okay. Then maybe you can use maybe if you have a driver's license or anything to do the residential or you have this tax um tin number, those that kind of tin number, that kind of paper, that kind of document. Okay, you can also, if you pay internet in Ghana to MTN, your bank statement, if you have a bank statement, you can use this as your residential proof, and they will verify the account for you so that you don't have any restrictions on it. So after you're done with that, you can open an account because when you have Exness, you still don't have a trading account. Okay. So you have to open a trading account so that you can deposit money in that account. Exness can give you a number, okay, a trading account number like You can't say that, okay, so it's like you have gone to create an account with GCB or Stanbic, but you don't have a bank account. That's how it means. So you have to create an account, and that's what you are going to do. So you click here, you come to open an account. So they said that open an account. So you have different kinds of accounts. You have the standard Cent, Pro, Prosper Zero. So you choose the one that has been given to you. That has the minimum deposit of $10. Okay, then the minimum spread is 0.20 pips. All right, I've explained pips to you already. So you just go to continue, choose the standard and go to continue. Okay. Then you can choose a demo account. But when you don't know, it's better to start with a demo account so that you don't lose money. Okay. So that you learn how the interface work and all those things. That when you're conversant or you're okay with it, you come and create another one. You go through the same process to create another one, which is the real account. So this time around, I'm choosing the real one. Then the currency is the US dollar because we want to earn in dollars. You can choose Ghana cedis, but let's make dollars so that when you're earning it to be in dollars. Okay. Then nickname, you can make it any name that you want. Okay. You can make it richest man. You can make it whatever your Nicky, whatever you want to. Then the leverage for a beginner, I'll advise you to do 1:100 or 1:200. Okay. As a leverage. All right. 1:100, 1:200. I've explained leverage also to you, so you understand. This is where it comes. This is where all those things come in. Okay. Then the trading platform, you choose MT5, MetaTrader 5. Then now you give a password again to that account because you will need it when you are linking it with MetaTrader 5. Okay. So, or you're opening your particular account. So you have to put in a trading password. Okay. Then when you're done with that, you create an account. So let me just create one. Okay, let me just create one. So let's say syndicate. So syndicate trader 1:100 MT5 password go, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or whatever. Then let me put okay, one uppercase, one lowercase. Okay, let me so that I can see. So they go and make the go, and this is not my password anyways. So let me make it go. No, let me make it bigger. No, why is it okay like this? Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4. I just want it to be 8. Any password, it should be 8 and it should fit all the criteria. So let me add a special character. So now it satisfies it. Okay, so you choose a password that is between 8 to 15 characters. It should be at least one uppercase. There's one uppercase, one lowercase. There should be a number, at least one number. I have about 5 numbers or 6 numbers. Then there should be one special character. Okay. Then you click on create account. So you see that now Xness will tell me that I have an account. Okay. I have a real MT5 account. All right. So and the name is what syndicate and this is the account number. All right. And that's it. So you can come here and deposit on this one. So I'm going to show you the deposit. So you come here and choose the deposit. So it has because I've verified my account, so I have all this available to me. Okay, so I can choose mobile money. I can choose Ethereum using Binance or Binance Pay, anything that you want to. Okay, so if you want to, you can use your mobile money, MTN mobile money. Okay, so you can wait when you're using mobile money, it's between $10 to $800 that you can deposit or withdraw, which is okay for a beginner. Okay, so you can choose the mobile money option. Okay, so they will ask you mobile money, then your account that you are depositing the money into, then your currency, then you type in maybe if you are depositing whatever account, then it will be equivalent to you. So you deposit, you click on continue. So let me, okay, then continue. So $91 to be continued, then you choose MT5, we choose MTN, continue like that. Okay. Then you to come here, then you click on confirm. Okay, when you click on confirm, you receive a prompt on your phone to put in your PIN to be able to so that Exness can take the money. Okay, but you should have the equivalent of the $91.8 or whatever you're depositing inside your on your mobile money. All right, so that you can deposit and it will be deposited into your account and you can trade with it. Okay, so that is it um for creating your Exness account, and we are going forward to show you how to link it to MT5 and subsequent videos on how to actually take a trade and use it. Okay. So we are going to learn how to connect our MetaTrader 5 to our Exness account. So I'm sure that you have downloaded the MetaTrader 5 application on your phone, whether being an Android phone or an iPhone. So we come to MetaTrader 5, we click on the app, and this is what you are going to see. You are going to see coming. Yes, this is actually what you are going to see. Add when you open it for the first time. So the add trading account. Okay. So you are going to click on add trading account to add our broker, and our broker is Exness. Okay, so we are going to choose Exness. So we type in Exness. Be sure to choose Exness Technologies Limited. I'm repeating again. Be sure to choose Exness Technologies Limited, not the other ones. Okay, so you click on that. Then you see that it's asking you for your login details, your password, your server, and if you want to save your password. I think you should leave this one ticked on because you can't be logging in every time. So it's one-time login. Okay, so we go to our Exness application, or when you're using a browser on your laptop, you enter into your Exness account, and we are going there right now to see how you are going to fill all these details. Okay, so I've logged into my Exness application, and this is on my phone. So I will come to profile. If you are using a phone, you come to profile, then you are going to so when you come to profile, this is where I was telling you about the personal details and you verifying your account. So you can see that my account is fully verified, and I will come to accounts, and when I'm at accounts, I will look for details. Okay, and when I get to details, I'll go to settings. So if I'm on settings, I will look at the various categories that have been given, and the third category states that trading platform MetaTrader 5. So this is what we are looking for. So you see that there is a login. Okay, so I will just copy the login. Then I will look at the server. My server is Exness MT5 Rel 9. Please take note, my server is Exness MT5 Rel 9. So I'll copy my login, then I'll switch to MetaTrader 5. Okay, so where I see login, I'll just paste it. Okay, then I'm going to search for my server. My server was Meta MT5 Rel 9. So I'm looking for MT5 Rel 9. Where is MT5 Rel 9? Rel 6, Rel 8. Okay, this is it. MT5 Rel 9. So that is my server. So I'm going to choose it. Then I'm going to put in my password. Okay, the password that you use to create the account, the Exness account, that is what you are going to put here. Okay, so when you're done typing your password, you click on login, and they'll ask you if you want to save. I don't want to save it, so it's connecting, and it's connected. So now when I come here, Exness is going to okay, yes. Yeah, so for the purpose of this video, this is the account. So I have successfully logged into Exness using my I've successfully logged into my Exness through MT5. Okay, so when I come here, you see that it has given me a lot of currencies. a lot of things. So this is the interface of MetaTrader 5. So I'll come to quotes. So as you can see, there's a plus sign here, there's an edit button here, there's the menu here at the top there, which has quotes. The quotes is also down there. There are charts, trade history, and messages. So what the code does is that the code gives you the currency pairs that you are trading, and it gives you the bid price and the ask price. Okay. So as you can see, the L down here, as you can see, US. No, let me just teach you another thing. Okay. So imagine that you are coming to trade all these things. Maybe you may not need it, so you may want to delete all of it. Okay. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select on this pencil. Okay, this pencil sign here, you click on it, then it will ask you, okay, that do you want to delete? And as you see, there's a delete button there, so you click on delete. So I'll select all the things that I want to delete. I want to delete everything, okay, because I want to use my own. I don't want to use what they have given me. So I delete it. Okay, then I add what I want to add. So let me just use one example. Okay, so Great Britain pound, GBP, let's say USD. Okay, so I'll add that, and let me add good XAU USD. Okay, that's it. So I've added it, and when I come back to this side, you see that this is what I added. Okay, I added the British pound USD and the XAU USD. That is good. Okay, so as you can see here, you see L 1.28734. So that is for today. That is the lowest that Great Britain pound USD, the pair. That is the lowest that it has been. That's the lowest price. Then the highest price that it has been today is 1.29454. And for gold, you see that there's an L and there's an H. The L is the lowest price that it has been, and the lowest price that it has been today is 2,896.723, and the highest price that it has been today is 2,918.312. Then you see that things are blinking. Okay, some are blinking blue, some are blinking red. So the one on your right side, okay, the one on your right side is what we call the ask price. Then the one on your left side is what we call the bid price. Okay, so if you are buying, they will quote you on your ask price, and if you are selling, they will quote you on your bid price. Okay, so that is the price that you are buying gold. If you are buying gold, okay, they will quote you on the right one, which is blinking 0.26 and is now 0.28. It has come to 98 like that. That's where they will beat you if you are buying. And if you are selling good, the one that is blinking 0.60, it has come to 55. Okay. Yes, we are going to talk about pips and pippets and all those kind of things. Okay, so this is the price of gold as this moment. One ounce of gold is this price, and one GBP, one British pound to the US dollar is this amount. So that is one thing that you need to know about this app. Then this is where the chart is. Okay, so if I want to select the chart, I can select the the currency or the pair or the instrument that um I want to look at the chart on. Okay, so I'll select gold. So when I click on gold, you can see new order, chart properties, okay, market statistics, simple view. So I can go to charts. Okay, so when I go to chart, it will process and bring me this chart. Okay, and this is the 15 minutes chart, and this is the 15 minutes chart. So this is the chart on gold 30 minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see the buy and the sell. So as I said before, the when you want to sell, when you want to buy, they will quote you on the ask price, and when you want to sell, they will quote you on the bid price. So I'm going to show you how to place a simple trade, how you are going to trade using the this software or this app. Okay, so you see I've selected gold. We are going to use gold just for example, or you can come to trade. Okay, when you come to trade, you are going to see um your balance, you are going to see your equity, then your free margin. Your free margin is the money that is available for you to trade with, that your broker can give you leverage for you to enter a position with. Okay, so if you want to put a trade on this, okay, on gold, you are going to come to this plus sign up here. Okay, there are many ways that you can place a trade, so this is one of them. So you come to the plus sign here and it brings you to this place, or you can come to the quote and you click on the instrument. You see there are options. There is new order, there is chart, there's properties, there is market statistics, and there's simple view mode. So we should click on new order, it will open the same page. So either ways, okay, if you're not sure it wasn't good, it was maybe a British pound USD that you were trying to trade and you mistakenly click on gold and you want to change, you come to where the dollar sign is here, and now you can change it over here. So now you can see that it has changed. Okay, so most of the time we have a lot of things that we do, or a lot of ways that we enter the market. We can enter the market through market execution. Market execution means that as you execute the market, you are telling your broker to take your order into the market right now. You understand? Fast, fast. That is market execution. And most traders use market execution. There are a few times that we use buy limits, like the way I have done. If you come here, you can see I've made a buy limit here, meaning that it is called a pending order, meaning that I'm waiting for gold to get to this price. And when it gets to this price, even if I'm on my computer or my phone, or I'm away doing my own thing, my broker should place me in the trade at this price. So it's an example. Okay, so let's go back. So market execution is I want to enter the market now. So let's assume that I'm thinking that maybe gold is selling, so maybe I want to sell gold. Okay, this is the leverage, or this is the lot size that I can enter into the trade with for my broker to add the leverage to it. So as we discussed, you can choose a standard lot size, you can choose a micro lot size, any of them. Okay, so here maybe I will choose maybe 0.1, okay, as my lot size, meaning that for every pip that gold makes, I should make $1 of it. Every pip that gold makes, okay, when gold moves to 70, I should make, or where gold is 2902.79. Okay, so as gold is moving, if gold makes one pip, I should make $1 of it. Okay, so they will ask me, so I'm just showing you how to place a trade. Later we go into the other things. So I'll just click on sell. So you see that Exness has placed me into the trade. So I've sold gold. So right now I am in a loss of $2. Okay, I'm in a loss of $2. So I'm in a loss, and now it has turned into profit. Okay, so this is how the trade is. This is how trading is. So assuming I'm using real account, so this is how it will be showing. So right now I've made $3. Okay, that's how it is. I didn't do any analysis on it, I just placed it. Okay, all right, so it has moved, now I'm making a loss. So if I didn't close this trade early, and when I had the $3, now I'm making a loss. So I'll make my analysis to see where gold is going to, and if it's moving in my direction, I will not be perturbed by this. I'll just wait for price to get to my level. Okay, so now assuming that I've had enough, okay, and I've made a profit or I've made a loss, I want to close the trade. How do I go about it? Okay, so as the position is moving like this, I will just click on it. When I long press it, it comes to close position, modify position. So let's go to the modify position. So this, I didn't put in any risk management. So assuming that I leave this trade on, now I'm in -10, Okay, gold is a very volatile asset, so that's why it's moving very fast like that. Okay, so we advise beginners to take caution when they're trading gold. Okay, so you can see how price is moving up and down very quickly. So assuming I don't put in any trade management, I don't put in any stop loss or any take profit, I'll be there, and by the time that is evening, you can see that all my money can get finished, depending on where gold moves to. So I need to protect myself. So as I want to protect myself, I need to put in a stop loss and a take profit. Take profit is showing that, okay, good, when you get to this point and I'm not even with my phone, take me out when I'm in profit of this, or when I get into a loss of this, okay, take me out of the market. So with that, you use the prices to do that. So you go to modify position, and um I can set my stop loss to be, let's say, 2880. Okay, then I'll set my take profit to be, let's say, 2915. No, I sold, so it should be like that. Okay, so I sold, so let's say my take profit is 2880, then my stop loss will be 29, let's say 2912. 2912. This is based on no analysis, I'm just trying to show you something. Okay, so as you can see, it's still not showing me to modify, meaning that I didn't put it wrong. Okay, so I misplaced the stop loss and the take profit, sorry. So here will be 29, let's say 2912. Then here will be take profits, let me take it at 2880. I'm just doing it. Okay, so when I'm selling, when you are selling, your stop loss price has to be higher. Okay, when you do analysis, you see all these things inside. So you can see that my modify is activated. So now I'll click on modify, and now it will modify my position. And as you can see, when I click on it, you see that it has added SL, which is stop loss 2912, and take profit 2880. Okay, now assuming that I'm fed up, maybe I want to end the trade. You understand? I'm in profit. It has not reached my stop profit yet. My take profit yet. It has not reached my stop loss yet. But I'm tired. Like I want to take my profit as it is, or the money that I've lost, is too much. I want to just exit the trade. Okay, I want to just leave the trade. What would I do? I'll just long press this position from here, this trade. You just come here. Even if you are here, you can still come to the trade. You see it. Okay, so now I'm in negative 19. Negative 19, maybe I didn't plan to, like seriously lose $19 this morning. So I will just click on it like this. Okay, and when I click on it, you see close position. Okay, so I can click on close position, and they will ask me if I'm sure. So are you sure you want to close with a loss of $12.70? Okay, yes, I want to. So I click on it. And now you can see that when I did that, my balance has changed. Okay, now maybe I want to buy. So I go to gold again, new order. Then maybe I will click on buy. It places me in the market. Okay, now as it has placed me in the market, look at the balance, my equity, my margin, and my margin level, and my free margin. So the balance is what I entered the trade with. Okay, the balance is what I entered the trade with. Then my equity is my balance right now as I'm in the trade. Okay, whether I've made a profit or a loss, I'll see it here. Then the margin, okay, is, or with the free margin, is the money that my broker, this is the money that is available for me to place another trade with. Okay, so if I choose um, a leverage, or I choose a lot size of 0.1 or 1, to multiply it by this free margin to see if I qualify to be able to place this trade. If my free margin is small and they multiply by the price of gold now, and it will not reach. They will tell me that I don't have sufficient funds. Okay, so now when you add your free margin to your margin, you get your equity. Okay, when you add your free margin to your margin, you get your equity. So as you can see, I entered the trade with my balance being 655.48, and now I've gotten $3.29 profit. And now you can see that my equity has changed. And as it's changing, my free margin too is changing. But my margin is fixed, is stagnant. That is the real money. My real money is not the real money that they have set aside for this trade. Okay, the real money that they have set aside for this trade. So that is the, so assuming right now I didn't put a a stop loss or a take profit. So maybe I want to do it. So I long press this position, and I go to modify position as we did before. Okay, so I'm buying now. So my stop loss maybe 2880. My take profit 29, let's say 12. Okay, then I click on modify. That's modified for me. Done. Maybe I'm satisfied with this profit as it has given me, and I want to close it. Okay, I'm satisfied with it. I want to close it. I'm okay. I'm okay maybe to spend this money. Like this money is okay for me. Okay, so I want to close it because maybe price is not moving straight. Price is becoming some way. So I want to just secure my profit. Okay. So I'll just come to close position, and they'll ask me if I want to close with a profit of this. I said, oh yes, I want to close with a profit of this. So I'll just click close with profit of this. And you can see that it has closed me. Now my balance now has increased, and my equity and my balance and my free margin, they are the same, because now I've closed the trade and they have credited my account with the money that I have or I've gotten out of the trade, including the balance that I had before. So when I come to history with the examples that I've done, you can see all the trades that I've taken. You can see the 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 results. So if you are making a loss, they'll tell you that today you have made, although you have won this trade, but you have lost this. So you are, when you subtract and you add, you have made a loss of $44, which is not good as a trader. As a trader, your losses should be lesser than your wins. You understand? Yes, so your wins have to be more and your losses have to be less. Okay, so that is it. So that is how you are going to use the MetaTrader app to place trades. Okay.